Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can transfer contact between Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your contact application in your Android mobile phone, and you can select the contact you want to transfer. If you want to transfer all of the contact you have in your Android mobile phone, you can tap and hold on the first contact. Then you just need to select all. But if you just want to send some of them, you just need to tap and hold on the first contact. Then you can select it like this. If you want to transfer them all, just select all, and then you can click on share and choose the method you want to use to transfer your contact. And I recommend you to choose the quick share method, and the process will be easier and faster. And then you have to ask the receiver to activate the quick share as well. Then the receiver's device will appear right here after they activated the quick share. Alright guys, and that's how we can transfer contact between Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.